If you're tired of seeing your bank balance hit zero before your next paycheck, if you're tired of feeling like you're working so hard but never getting ahead, if you're tired of living in a survival mode, constantly stressed about money, then this video is right for you. Because today I'm breaking down the exact step-by-step plan to stop living paycheck to paycheck for good. Not for a month, not for a good week, but permanently. As long as you stick to these steps. And listen, it doesn't matter where you live, what you earn, or how many mistakes you've made in the past. This is global, realistic, no fluff guide that works anywhere and for everyone. Before we start, please hit the like button so YouTube shows this to more people who are struggling. Also subscribe if you are serious about changing your financial life. And a comment, I'm ready, if you are done with living paycheck to paycheck. All right, let's go. Here is the truth most people never hear. Living paycheck to paycheck is rarely because someone is bad with money. It usually happens because of three things. First, no margin. Everything you earn gets spent. Not necessarily on nonsense, but on rent, bills, groceries, transport, debt, family responsibilities, childcare, real life. Second, no financial buffer. So the smallest images, broken tire, phone repair, missed day of work, throws everything off. Third, no system. Most people are trying to wing it with their money. No plan, no structure, no automation, no priorities. And the crazy part, income doesn't automatically fix this. Plenty of people making $4,000, $6,000, even $10,000 per month still live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because as income increases, lifestyle usually increases with it. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't about income. It's about structure. And today, I'm giving you that structure. But before we fix the system, we need to understand the trap you're stuck in, the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Here's how the cycle usually looks. First, paychecks comes in. Second, bills auto-deduct. Third, buy essentials. Fourth, reward yourself after a long month. Fifth, money runs low. 6, you stress. 7, you wait for the next paycheck. 8th, repeat. This is not because you're irresponsible. It's because the system you're using is set up to lose. If you don't create a plan for your money will create a plan for you. And trust me, you won't like its plan. But don't worry. From this moment on, we are building a new one. Step 1, know your real numbers, not the fake ones. Okay, the first step to escaping the paycheck cycle is understanding your real monthly cost of living. Not the rough estimate, not the I think it's around, maybe, not the fantasy version where you forgot subscriptions you haven't cancelled since 2020. Your real number. Why this matters? If you don't know what you spend, you cannot build a budget, build an emergency fund, plan investments, reduce expenses, increase savings, change anything. Knowing your numbers equals power. The 4-category method. Grab your phone, grab your bank app, grab your 30 days of transactions. We are categorizing everything into 4 buckets. Category 1, survival. These are non-negotiables. Rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transport, medicine or healthcare, phone bill. This is the cost of being alive. Category 2, commitments. These are things you have already agreed to. Debt payments, subscriptions, contracts, insurance, car payments, school fees, gym memberships. Some of these are flexible, some aren't. Category 3, lifestyle. This is where most people leak money. Eating out, shopping, takeaways, entertainments, delivery fees, coffee shops, nights out, upgrades, gadgets, home decor. Lifestyle spending is not bad, but it has to be controlled. Category 4, the oops category. Unexpected spending, last-minute gifts, parking tickets, bank fees, broken items, emergency travel, random Amazon purchases you forgot you made. Add this up. Your task, calculate your average total monthly spending, average lifestyle spending, average oops spending, total survival cost. Most people find out they're spending much more than they thought. And that's okay. Awareness is step one, because once you have this number, we can build the plan. Before we go to step two, comment below, did your real number surprise you? Yes or no? Step two, build your safety buffer. The one thing that breaks the cycle. Living paycheck to paycheck is not just a money problem. It's a timing problem. You are struggling because you don't have a buffer. What is a safety buffer? Your buffer is one paycheck worth of savings, or 1 month of expenses, or even $100 to start. This buffer breaks the cycle because unexpected bills won't destroy your month. You don't rely on credit. You don't panic at the end of the month. Stop the paycheck to paycheck loop. Start small. The first $100 is the hardest. After that, momentum builds. Where do you store it? In a separate account named emergency buffer. Or do not touch. How to build it? Choose one. Option 1, automatic transfer every payday. $25, $50, or $100 inches into this account. Option 2, the 1 week no spend challenge. Cut discretionary spending for 7 days. Put the savings straight into your buffer. Option 3, sell things you don't use. Everyone has 3. Old phone, clothes, electronics, shoes, furniture, games. Sell them. There is your seed money. Why the buffer comes before everything else you might think. Shouldn't I pay off debt first? Or shouldn't I invest instead? Not yet. Because without a buffer, a flat tire equals more debt. A medical bill equals more debt. A late fee equals more money lost. You must plug the leak before filling the bucket. Once you have saved $100 to $1,000, depending on your income, you are ready for step 3. Comment below how much buffer you want to build. $100, $300, $1,000. Step 3, create the zero stress budget. Simple and global friendly. Forget complicated budgets. Forget 17 categories. Forget spreadsheets that look like NASA launch codes. We are building the zero stress budget, the easiest budgeting system in the world. The 50-30-20 method, flexible worldwide. This method works in the USA, UK, Europe, Asia, Africa, anywhere. It looks like this. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% financial growth, savings, investing, debt payoff. But here is the key. These numbers don't have to be exact. If you live in an expensive city like London, New York, Sydney, Dubai, your needs might be 60%, not 50%. Totally fine. If you are living at home and your costs are low, your financial growth might be 40% or 50%. Great. This system bends for everyone. Needs equals survival. Remember your survival category from earlier? This goes here. Wants equals lifestyle. These are your fun spending categories. Financial growth equals your future. This is the key category for escaping the cycle. Automation equals no more overthinking. As soon as your paycheck arrives, first, bills get paid automatically. Second, savings move automatically. Third, investments transfer automatically. Fourth, what's left is your spending money. Automation protects you from your emotions, impulses, and fatigue. Envelope variant, digital version. If your income changes month to month, use the digital envelope method. Grocery budget, eating out, transport, fun, emergencies. Each is a separate pot on your banking app. When the money is gone, it's gone. The pay yourself first rule. This is key. Before rent, before bills, before groceries, pay yourself first. Your money should go to your financial goals before anyone else, even if it's just $20 per month, because the habit is worth more than the amount. Step 4, attack your debt, but smartly, not emotionally. Once your buffer is in place and your budget is automated, it's time to kill your debt. Debt is the enemy of financial breathing room. 2 popular methods. The Varenchi method, pay off the debt with the highest interest first. This saves the most money long term. Second, the snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first. This gives the fastest motivation. Which should you pick? If you're emotionally drained, pick snowball. If you are mathematically minded, pick avalanche. Either way, you win. Why debt is so dangerous? Debt steals your time, energy, future income, opportunity, freedom. Debt is the anchor, keeping you tied to the paycheck cycle. But once you start reducing it, your whole financial life opens up. Step 5, build a real emergency fund. 3 to 6 months. Once debt is shrinking and your budget is flowing smoothly, it's time to build the most powerful financial shield you'll ever have, your emergency fund. Not $100, not $300, but 3 to 6 months of expenses. Why so much? Because life happens. Job loss, medical bills, family emergencies, car repairs, unexpected moves. And the better protected you are, the less you'll ever rely on credit or loans. How to build it slowly, consistently, automatically. Even $50 per month will grow. Even $20 will grow. Even $10 will grow. Where to store it? High yield savings account, money market account, in a safe, liquid place, not investments. You need this money accessible. Step 6, increase your income. Let's be honest, you can't budget your way out of a low income forever. At some point, increase your income. Gives you speed. Ways to increase income. First, upskill. Learn skills that pay. Copywriting, coding, video editing, social media management, graphic design, sales, tech support, data analysis. Free courses exist everywhere. Second, ask for a pay rise. Most people never ask, and the pay rise they could have gotten earlier would have saved years of financial stress. Third, switch jobs. The biggest income jumps often come from switching, not staying. Fourth, side income, freelancing, selling products, online tutoring, delivery gigs, consulting, reselling items. Even an extra $20 per month breaks the paycheck cycle. Fifth, build a skill that scales your income. This builds long-term stability. Step 7, build wealth. Once your buffer is built, your budget is stable, your debt is shrinking, your emergency fund is growing, then comes the final step, investing. This is how you stop living paycheck to paycheck, permanently, forever, because your money starts earning money. Focus on index funds, ETFs, pension contributions, long-term growth. Invest consistently, automatically, monthly, even $50 per month, invested for 20 years, becomes life-changing. This is where financial freedom starts. Here is what your life will look like soon. First, paycheck arrives. Second, bills paid. Third, savings and investing happen automatically. Fourth, money left for lifestyle. Fifth, no panic. Sixth, no stress. Seventh, no fear. This is opposite of living paycheck to paycheck. This is financial peace. You now have complete roadmap to escape paycheck cycle. First, know your real numbers. Second, build a small buffer. Third, use the zero stress budget. Fourth, pay off debt smartly. Fifth, build your images. Sixth, increase your income. Seventh, start investing for the future. This is a system that works globally for any income, any currency, any background. If this video helped you, please hit like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more financial clarity. Comment, I'm breaking the cycle. Share this with someone who needs it. Also, please watch our next video here. Thanks for watching.